Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mary. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of March. So I have that right here. And also in this video is going to be my March giveaway. So I have another box over here. You guys, this month's giveaway box has a crap ton of stuff. So it's going to be a massive giveaway this month. There's like over 10 different items in here, makeup, skincare, tools, all that jazz. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box this month and seeing what I have in my giveaway box and how to enter, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so first of all, I want to go ahead and say I do always link in the description box all the makeup that I have on my face. Unfortunately, there is nothing from the box that I am wearing today. So all this makeup is from not the box. So you can check the description box. I have it all listed and linked down below. If you want to get any of it, you can check it out. So here is my box this month. I am not going to lie to you guys. I was kind of disappointed. There's only one thing in the box that I am keeping out of the 5 products, but that one item does cover the cost of the box for me. So I have the base box, which is like 25 bucks a month, and the one thing I got is that I like is more than $25. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The first thing we have here is from 111 Skin. It is their Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. So this retails for $140, which is crazy. And this, I am not exactly sure what it is, so I'm going to read the little pamphlet. It says, this contour gel is a peptide-packed treatment gel specifically developed to focus on deep-set lines and wrinkles due to a loss of elasticity around the eyes and lips. So I'm assuming you would put it like in smile lines and like under your eyes. I'm not really interested in using this, so this, I haven't decided yet if it's going to be in the giveaway box for this month or in a future one, so I'm going to set it over here because I will not be keeping it. Another item I am not keeping is from Maven Beauty. I believe that is I think Fashion Nova, their makeup line. I'm not 100% sure, but this is their Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. This retails for $22. The packaging is really cool on this. I just have several setting sprays, and I honestly don't use setting spray that often these days, just because if I'm going out, the chance of me wearing makeup is very slim. So I am not going to be keeping this one either. The one thing that I got in here that I do like and that I am keeping was my choice item. So that is the Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. This is $39. So like I said, the box is $25. The item that I like and that I'm keeping is $39. So it does more than cover the cost of the box. So I cannot complain about that. This says it's a soothing, lightweight moisture that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and something else. It's a recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. I'm getting so out of breath. I'm only 11 weeks pregnant, but you guys, I get so out of breath. So I'm going to smell this. I have been using this for a couple days now, and it smells so good, you guys, and it feels really good on the skin. So I do really like this guy. Here's a little ASMR with my nails. So I do like this a lot. 2 products left in the box. Both of them I am not keeping. So the next one is this LAVISH wet brush cleaning system. It's $15. I think it comes with a bar of soap and like a little scrubby pad. Yeah, so there's a bar of soap. It is sealed in here, and then this scrubby pad for cleaning your brushes, which is really nice. I do already have several of these, not from this brand, but I have several of them that I got off of Amazon and I keep in my bathroom, so I don't need another one. So this will be saved. And then the last item is from KAB Cosmetics. It is their Hydrating Lip Oil. This says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Has other stuff too, but that's all I'm reading because I don't want to get out of breath. So this retails for $20. I think there are a few different shades. The one that this comes in is Rum Punch. Again, this is something I am not keeping. I have like 3 or 4 lip oils that I really like, and then I just don't need another one to add. So I'm going to be putting that in a future giveaway or this giveaway. So that is everything in this month's box. My total came to $236, which is crazy. Like, that is a huge amount. Like, that's the most expensive box I've had, I think, ever, honestly. So $236, but out of that I'm only keeping one thing. I'm not mad about it because I do love being able to give back to you guys. So that is everything from my box. Now we are going to get into my giveaway box. Okay, so here is my giveaway box, you guys. There's a lot of stuff in here. I have 10 items in here. So out of my BOXYCHARM box, only 2 items from that box are going in here, just because I took a lot of stuff out of my big box. So I'm going to save the other 2 items to kind of like replenish my box. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The first thing I have in here is from June & Co. It is a microfiber velvet sponge. This is what I use to apply my makeup. It is my favorite beauty tool. I already have like several of them. Here's the one that I'm currently using. This thing is amazing. I recommend this to so many people. Next, I have this Winky Lux Rainbow Balm, like a little chapstick balmy thing. Then we have a Viseart or Viseart, I'm not really sure, eye primer. Next we have from the brand Kitsch, I think is how you say it. It is an ice roller. I have one of these. I keep it in my freezer, and then when I apply my skincare in the morning, I just kind of like roll it on my face, and it is very soothing. And then the 2 items from the BOXYCHARM that are going to be in this month's giveaway is the Maven setting spray and then the KAB lip oil. So these 2 from the box are going to be in the giveaway. Next, I have these little eye gels from this brand called Guardian Angel. And then I have from this brand called Beauty for Real, I have 2 like eye pencils. These are like cream eyeshadows. There's like a champagne shade and a bronze shade. These are really pretty, and they're going to be extremely pretty, especially for the summer. 2 things left. If you guys know me, I cannot do a giveaway without an eyeshadow palette. So I have this palette from KAB Cosmetics. So I don't want to open this up, it's sealed, but I do have one of these myself. So this is the one that I have, and I'm going to show you guys really quick what the palette looks like. I will go ahead and do some swatches. So here is 3 of the shimmers right here. Really pretty. As you can see, it's very pigmented. So you have 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. This is super pretty, and it's going to be beautiful for the spring. And then the last item in here is a blush palette. Now I'm not going to swatch this one because I don't have this, so I'm not going to, you know, touch the shades or anything like that because it is sealed on it. But you have these 2 blushes down here, which are really pretty shades, and then 2 highlights, like a pinky one and then a goldy one. And this is from the brand Shayna or Shayna B Miami. I'm not exactly sure, probably not how you say that, but really pretty. So like I said, that is 10 items in this month's giveaway, and we have skincare, we have makeup, we have tools, we have all the good stuff. So that is this month's box. Now to enter my giveaway, my giveaways are always the same. I just have 3 rules. So I have, you need to, number 1, be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, like this video. And then last, number 3, comment down below, just any comment. If you do leave a comment, make sure you are leaving a way for me to contact you. Instagram, email. If you're one of my friends and I know you, just be like, text me. So those are the rules. This is going to be listed or open for a week. I'm not sure what day I'm posting this, but I will put the end date right here on the screen so you guys know. I picked the winner on my Instagram, so you can head over to my Instagram. It's at Mary Petrushko. I post the winner on there after I have contacted. So if you haven't been contacted, then you obviously haven't won. But if you are curious to see who the winner is, you can check my Instagram. I have it on my story when I post it. Other thing to mention is this is USA only. Sorry for that, but right now I just can't afford to be shipping stuff internationally. But yeah, guys, that is all I have for you for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my BOXYCHARM unboxing and my giveaway. Make sure to enter that, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.